Today I've rented a small excavator. We're going to dig the track for my conduit, put my 200 amp service in. I've got to dig it, I think it's 24 inches deep by code. I think they'll let you get away with 18. I'm probably going to go about 2.5, 3 foot. That way I know I'm deep enough everywhere, just in case one spot's a little shy. Got to do it up this incline. The excavator scared the living daylights out of me. I've got it up there a little bit. Got to get it up there about another 10 foot before I need to get to where I need to be so I can start digging and working my way down. That's pretty much what we got going on this episode. If you would, like, subscribe, and share it to somebody that might enjoy the video. Alright, we're gonna see how scared I can get. These things scare the living daylights out of me. Alright. Right now I'm making sure I'm in line with the power pole. So far I am. That scared the living crap out of me a couple of times. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, that's a pretty good incline. Couldn't get the excavator to pull itself up any more than what it has. I'll probably have to do some by hand. Might not, might get lucky. We'll see. I'm hoping. It's always worth a hope. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and get this rest of this done. I'm going to change camera. All right, I was able to do part of it. I couldn't reach that. The excavator wouldn't get up in there, so I could grab that. That'll be fine. I can do that with pickaxe. I've did it all the way up to the house, and then the excavator was not really doing real good. It's steep. As you can tell, I almost fell. Anyways, I've been climbing around. I'm kind of tired, so I apologize for the heavy breathing. But from the excavator all the way down, I don't know if you can tell where the track is, but it's in line with that pole. I haven't been able to do it, so what I'm going to have to do, I guess, is get a ditch switch and then pick it from where, if the ditch switch can't get through it, then I'll have to just use pickaxe. That's the only other thing I know to do. I'm not doing it all by pickaxe. That'll kill me. But honestly, I don't have but 30 foot to go. I might be able to do it with pickaxe, but I don't know what a ditch switch is. 150 bucks a day probably. That would be a whole lot easier, as long as it can make it up and down this incline, because it's pretty steep. Fix to load the excavator back up, rinse it off, go fuel it if I can find fuel, and then take it back, I guess. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, like, subscribe, and share it if you would. Y'all take it easy, stay healthy, God bless, see you later.